What is up, guys? It is Zach, and today we're just gonna make a quick little update video thing on my Forester. So I don't know if I've ever really like showed this car. My crazy dog. I don't know if, holy crap. Yeah, okay, let me restart. So I don't know if I've really showed this car on my channel. I got it from a teacher in high school. He literally basically just gave it to me. The whole backstory on it is that I got it because I was wearing a Subaru sweatshirt, and he's like, hey, I'll give you one. I'm like, okay. So then I got it, and the next day I drove it to work, and on my way home it jumped timing on me. So I had to take the heads all apart. It's a interference engine, so I had to put new valves in it, put new head gaskets in it. I think that was basically it. Just put the engine back together, put it back in the car. If I remember to, I'll remind myself right now. I'll put pictures of it, like of the whole head rebuilding process I did, if I have any. So yeah, basically I just drove it for a daily, drove it to work and everything. I ended up giving it to my mom, and then when I sold my WRX, I bought it back. And then, so yeah, that's where it stands. I've always wanted to lift this thing, so ever since I got it, I remember watching Ricer Miata's YouTube videos of his lifted Forester, his SF Forester, and he had his lifted, so I literally just basically copied what he did and put it on my car. So I think this is like 2 or 3 years in the making. Just working this summer, and you know, like I was just thinking, I want to just lift it. I was like sick of just thinking about it and just got it done. So look at that. What is she doing? She's so crazy. Anyway, so about what, I think the beginning of June, I bought the lift, the tires, and the wheels, because I was going on a trip to Colorado with my girlfriend. And I wanted to get it done before we left for Colorado so I could take it, but some stuff came up, couldn't get it done. It took forever for everything to get shipped out because I have an ADF lift on it, so they actually, it's kind of like a pre-order. You buy it and then they build it and send it to you. So it took like forever for the lift to come here. And then the wheels I got off Fitment Industries, they were like, I think it literally took a week for them. It was crazy how fast it got in. Then I got them, and then I had to buy tires for it, which that was kind of a tricky process. I bought them from my local discount tire. My tire guy hooked me up with a good deal. I couldn't resist, so then I got those. And yeah, so basically it's super dirty right now because it is my work car. Okay, so yeah, basically I had the motor part. I just started racing it out. I took off some like engine like dress up and just spray painted it bronze because I ended up painting my wheels bronze. So yeah, it's basically bone stock. I mean, it is bone stock. I got a snorkel for it, so I'm gonna end up routing that out of my fender here from the air box, which is right there, and then I'll put that up against my pillar right there. So yeah, I just got the lift in recently. The only modifications I really had to do is, well, for the wheels I had to get a 1-inch spacer because it converts the lugs from 5x100 to, I don't even remember what the other one is. It's like 5x139.7 or something random. I just got it because that's what the wheels were. I ended up cutting this. I actually did it yesterday. Cut my bumper to fit the wheels, took off the fender liner, and then I banged in this fender, this metal right here. And I did it on the other side too. Cut this corner off, took the mud flap off so it fit. I still have to kind of grind it down and clean it up. But I have to do a little bit more banging around in there because at full lock the tires are up. Not too bad, but I can daily it right now. I think it needs the wheels to be rebalanced or something. Discount kind of messed it up, or either it just needs an alignment. Sadie's literally going crazy right now. She wants to play. So what I got in store for the future is me and my dad are probably gonna weld custom roof rack for this, so it goes all the way across the roof, like one of the really big ones. A big light bar to go across here. Maybe some light pods for the front. And just like little stuff like jerry can holders on the side of the car, and just like kind of have fun with it, just customize it how I want. I'll probably make videos on it in the future. It's not my main focus, obviously, it's just a daily, but it is kind of fun just to play around with because it's a car I don't really like care about like messing up much, so I can do a lot of learning on it, or just like fabrication. I have like no experience in fabrication other than like growing up, I helped my dad paint cars, so I kind of did some body work here and there, but it's kind of fun just to mess around with this and not really care too much. So yeah, it has actually hit 199,000 miles today to the mile. It's like what it has right now on it, and it should last another 100,000, which I'm hoping to get out of it. When I got this car, me and my dad just kind of worked on them. He drove it a little bit. He really liked it because they honestly are amazing cars. They have all-wheel drive and they handle really good. So he ended up getting himself one, and then he bought another one, and then a parts car, and he just like got Forester crazy. Sold them all. Now he has one, which he's like working on here and there. It's his daily. I think he's gonna go the same route I did with the lifted setup because he really likes it and how it looks. But we do have a parts car Forester. That's actually the same color as mine, and it has a manual in it, so at some point whenever the auto decides to crap the bed in this thing, we're probably going to swap that in, so that'll be pretty fun. It's nice having an automatic daily because you don't got to worry about shifting, but I don't know, I think it'd be kind of cool, especially for off-roading. I'm hoping to hit some trails soon. We'll see. For now, this is what the Forester will be. If I make any changes or updates, I can just add into my future videos. I haven't been too consistent with YouTube this summer just because I've been really busy with work, went on vacation, a lot of family stuff. I just figured, you know, just focus on that, make some videos here and there if I have time, and I'll keep updating you guys and making videos on what I'm doing. I'm really excited. All I can say is hopefully in the next couple months, my videos get a lot better. You guys will see if it comes true. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching this update, especially since I have been so gone from YouTube for a while. I'm hoping to make some SC300 content soon. I got my engine tore down basically almost to the short block. Just have to take some stuff off, and I'll start building that probably around the time when I go back to college. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I figured I'd do some POV driving with this thing so you guys can see what it's like. Oh, see that? There's some grind in there. Or rubbing the tires. It's only a 2-inch lift. I only did the 2-inch because that way it doesn't pull out CV axles every right. So it doesn't pull out axles left and right. So I like how it is right now. 2 is good enough for me. It gives actually quite a bit more clearance. I mean, a whole 2 inches, and plus the tires also lifted quite a bit. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.